Doing a walk around of the 69 Camaro 350 automatic, 2,700 miles on a restored engine and block. We're going to take a quick walk around the car, give you a little bit of information about it, and then answer any questions you may have. So, completely restored car, family in 25 years, personal ownership about 10. So I have full documentation of all the work that was done. We're taking a walk around it here. It's got the rag top here, really clear vinyl. Just take a look at the tires here, great tread. Rear end here for you. Pretty much everything in this car has been restored to its kind of original position. No dings, bends. You can see the paint is really clean. Let's take a look on the interior before we take a look at the back side here. Go underneath the car for a second so you can see. As you can see, pretty much everything here is extremely clean, new gas tank, exhaust in the rear. You can also see the disc brakes and the upgraded suspension here. These are Detroit springs, recently done, as well as disc brakes for all around. Magna flow exhaust. Take a quick look at the interior. You got upgraded kicker speakers on the doors. Not sure if you can see it, but on the clock here, about 2,529, so we were at 2,600 miles on the redo here. All black interior. You got the bonus here with a USB controller, so your music is going to be rocking and rolling. Air condition, everything fully works. Overhead. Okay, let's take a walk around here. Check out the engine. Pop in the hood. You'll see pretty much everything here has been restored, redone. The block has about 2,500 miles on it. AC car, original. New brake boosters, distributor, batteries in great shape, AC unit, distributor cap. All in great condition, running like a champ. That is the exterior of the 69 Camaro for sale in West Orange, New Jersey.